We're going to be working on Kingsbridge March violins, and I want you to look on the chart behind me. And on the top set of notes, that's your E string notes, and you can see what the letters are, and please understand that they climb up 0, 1, 2, 3 for the fingers. And the half step is between first and second finger. And then down on the bottom set of notes, those are your G string notes. So G, A, B, C. You're going to see this behind me the whole time we're playing. So if you need to pause to be able to write some letters in or mark those half step locations, you certainly can do that. Another thing I want to show you is a finger map of the entire instrument in first position. Okay, so on the G string and D string, we've got our whole step between our first and second fingers. And then on the A string and E string, we have the half step between the first and second fingers. Okay, because there's no sharp on C and no sharp on G. Now, if you're going to be using some fourth fingers, they are a whole step away from the third finger. So that's why I put those in blue. Violins, we're going to start right at measure 22 today. And if you look at the first note, you'll notice that's E, and then it climbs up F sharp, G, A, and it even goes up one more note to that B. That's that fourth finger there. What I'd like to do is play the notes of this measure all at the same speed, and I'll demonstrate. So E, natural, back to first finger. Okay, so we're going to not worry about that triplet rhythm right now. So here we are at 22, all of the notes the same speed. 3, 4. Natural. Pinky. One more time. 3, 4. We're going to do the same exercise with measure 23, where we play everything at the same speed. Here's the tricky part here. You have to start G natural on the E string and move your second finger over to G natural on the A string, and then climb up. So you need to use the same finger in the same location on two different strings. Here we are at 23. 3, 4. One more time. Now that time I chose to use open E string, but some of you may feel comfortable using your pinky. So I encourage the pinky if you are feeling comfortable. Here we are at 23. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. Now let's try just measure 23 in the fancy rhythm as printed. I'll demonstrate. Okay, let's just try it together. Set yourself up. 3, 4. 3 and 4. One more time. 3, 4 triplet. 3 and 4. Now let's put 22 and 23 together with the normal printed rhythm. 1, 2 triplet. 3 and 4. One more time. 3, 4 triplet. 3 and 4. Focusing on just the notes is a great practice strategy. then your brain doesn't have to be terrorized by the rhythm if it's going too quickly. So you can just focus on figuring out what the notes are and then add the rhythm later. Now find measure 19, and we are going to work on these notes all at the same speed. And if you look at the chart behind me, you'll notice it starts on G natural. That's that half step that is right next to our first finger. So here we are at 19. Everything the same speed. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. So it's kind of getting used to reading these E string notes. Let's try that in the rhythm that is printed now at 19. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. One more time. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Okay, now here we are at 17 now, and we are going to play up to 25 using the printed rhythm. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 3 hook bow. G natural. 1 and 2. Bow lift. 1, 2, 3 hook bow. One more time. 17. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Again, sorry, that was out of tune. 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 hook bow. 1 and 2. 21. 1, 2. Look at the next line. 3 and 4. Now find measure 33. This was our note speller for our Flipgrid video right before winter break. And I want you to think about what these letters are again and where to play them on your instrument. Hopefully you've come up with E, C, third finger, D, and then low A, first finger. So now let's play those notes together. Set up your first finger E, and remember C is third finger. 3, 4. And then the next note goes up to B. Okay, let's play all of those notes now at 33. 3, 4. One more time. E to C. 3, 4. Now I want you to go to 29, and I want to play each of these notes just as a steady rhythm. Not worrying about rhythm. So we're going to play for 3 measures. Don't worry about slurs. Don't worry about rhythm. Every note is the same speed. Set up your C natural, and then realize we have to stretch to that G. 1, 2, 3, steady speed. Over to A, C natural. One more time. 3, 4. A, Now we are going to play it in the rhythm that is printed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, slow, slur. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. One more time, 29. 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. As you play the long 3-count notes, try to look ahead and figure out what the letter is of the next note you have to play. Find measure 41. This is another batch of low notes. Use the chart behind me if you need. The first one is a C. So C, A, B, G. So here we are at 41. Everything is on the G string here. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's back up to 39. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time, 39. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One more spot to check before we put a whole bunch of this together. Look at 36. It's a G, over to C natural, climbing up to the pinky. So let's practice the single notes, all the same speed again at 36. 3, 4. C, D, pinky E, C, A, G. One more time. Same speed again. 3, 4. Now let's put it into our rhythm. 3-count note at the beginning. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Same thing. 36. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Let's go back to measure 26, and we're going to play all the way from 26 down to 42. Up both start on that low G, then goes to C. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Over to G. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, low G. Up to A. 36. Here comes C natural. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's put this all together, and we're going to do from 17 to 42. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Hook. E string. Three and four. Rest. 25, 2, 3, 4, 26. 2 up, bow. 1, 2, 3, C natural. 1, 2, over to the A. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, C natural. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I hope you use these videos more than once to help you get comfortable and confident in what we've worked on. If you use them a second time, you can count that as practice time. The first time is the class that the video is assigned for. Please reach out if you have any questions or if there's anything that we can do to help you.